Ready to turn that brilliant business idea into a thriving online store, but feeling overwhelmed? This 90-second tutorial is your express lane to launching a Shopify store. No tech wizardry required. First, head over to Shopify.com and click on the Start Free Trial button. This will redirect you to the account creation page. Enter your email address, create a password, and give your store a name. Don't worry, you can change the name later. Boom, you're in. Now, let's choose a theme. Click Online Store, then Themes. Explore the free themes, or browse the theme store for premium options. Select one that matches your brand's aesthetic, and click Customize. This is where the magic happens. Upload your logo, tweak the colors to reflect your brand, and adjust the layout to your liking. You can also add a domain, which will be your store's unique web address. Next, add your products, write captivating descriptions, upload high-quality images, and set your prices. Finally, configure your shipping settings and choose your preferred payment providers, like Shopify Payments or PayPal. And there you have it. Your very own Shopify store, ready to take on the world. Now, go out there and make some sales.